Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Decor. In this video, we'll explore about modern unique clock design ideas. Modern unique wall clock have become more than just time-telling devices. They are now considered stylish, decorative pieces that can enhance the aesthetics appeal of a living room with their functional purpose combined with innovative designs. These clocks serve as eye-catching focal points and conversation starters. Whether you are looking to add a contemporary touch, a minimalist vibe, or a dash of artistic flair, there is a wide range of modern and unique wall clock designs to choose from. In this discussion, we'll delve into some captivating designs that can transform your living room into a trendy and visually appealing space. So, if you are ready to take your home decor with trendy and luxury styles, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. When it comes to modern and unique wall clock designs for your living room, there are various options available. Here are a few ideas to consider. 1. Geometric shapes. Look for wall clocks with unconventional shapes such as hexagon, triangles, or asymmetrical design. These can add a contemporary touch to your living room. You can find clocks made of metal, wood, or acrylic in these shapes. 2. Minimalist design. Opt for a sleek and minimalist wall clock with clean lines and a simple color palette. Minimalist clocks often feature thin or and minute hands, creating a minimalist aesthetic that can complement a modern living room. Oversized clock. Consider a large, oversized wall clock that becomes a focal point in your living room. These clocks typically have a minimalistic design with large numerals or markers, making a bold statement on your wall. 4. Industrial style. Industrial inspired wall clocks can add a unique touch of your living room. Look for clocks made of metal with exposed gears or distressed finishes. These clocks often have a vintage or steampunk vibe. 5. Nature inspired. Explore wall clocks that incorporate natural elements or organic shapes. For example, you can find clocks with wooden frames or those featuring floral or botanical motifs. These designs can bring a touch of nature into your living space. 6. Digital or LED clocks. If you prefer a more futuristic look, consider a digital or LED wall clock. These clocks often display the time in a unique way, such as using LED lights or digital numbers. Some even have additional features like temperature and humidity displays. Remember to consider the overall style and color scheme of your living room when selecting a wall clock. It should harmonize with the existing decor while adding a distinctive element to the space. We hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have any suggestions or ideas, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching this video.